Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we will take you into the biggest spring factory in China. You will see how do they make super big size springs inside the factory. Before we start, please subscribe for more videos of making giant stuff. The products made in this factory are mainly used for railway, automobile, and mechanical equipment. They have different specifications and are widely used in various fields. In order to ensure the quality of the spring, the winding machine adopts numerical control technology to ensure that the spring has high precision and good consistency. The automatic spray paint production line can quickly and evenly spray paint on the surface of the spring, which greatly improves the work efficiency. After painting, the spring will be sent to the drying room for drying. The drying room uses hot air circulation to quickly evaporate the solvent on the surface of the spring, make the paint on the surface of the spring dry and firm. The factory has a complete set of advanced production equipment, testing equipment, and strong technical force. Products are sold all over China and exported to many countries and regions. The company has always adhered to the business philosophy of honesty, quality, innovation, and service. With the business philosophy, the company's products have been well received by domestic and foreign customers. The winding machine has two sets of molds, one set for the inner diameter and the other set for the outer diameter. The two molds are adjusted according to the requirements of the spring, and then the steel wire is wound between the two molds to form a spring. At present, the factory has more than 10 sets of large and medium-sized winding machines. The different models have different specifications and can process different specifications of springs. This is a super large compression spring. Its outside diameter reaches 800 millimeters, and the wire diameter is 30 millimeters. Such a thick spring is generally used for railway. After installation, the workers will conduct a final inspection to ensure that there are no defects, such as scratches. The spring seat is generally used in pairs and is installed between the spring and the equipment to reduce friction. Make the equipment run more smoothly in order to meet the needs of different customers. The factory also provides customized services. This customer requires the spring to be coated with a layer of plastic. Plastic spraying not only makes the spring more beautiful, but also has a certain protective effect, and rust on the surface of the spring, and that the size of the spring meets the requirements. This is a huge tension spring. Its outside diameter is also 800 millimeters, and its total length is about 2 meters. There are many types of springs in the factory, including compression springs, tension springs, torsion springs, etc. Their sizes range from several millimeters to several meters. Today we will mainly focus on the production process of super large compression springs and tension springs. The first step of the production process is cutting the wire. According to the required specifications, the steel wire is cut into several equal parts. The length of each part needs to be twice the required length of the spring after it is compressed. After cutting, the steel wire will be sent to the next process. In order to meet the needs of different customers, the factory has dozens of large and medium-sized cutting machines. Different cutting machines can process different specifications of steel wire. The next process is the most critical link in the production process, which is the heat treatment of the steel wire. Heat treatment is carried out in an oven at a high temperature of 1700 degrees Celsius. The purpose of this process is to improve the hardness and wear resistance of the steel wire, which can ensure the long-term use of the spring and improve the service life. The higher the temperature, the longer the time, and the better the effect. However, when the temperature is too high and the time is too long, it is easy to damage the steel wire. Therefore, this process must be carried out under the premise of reasonable temperature and time. The workers in the factory have been operating for many years and have rich experience in this area. After heat treatment, the steel wire is sent to the winding machine for winding. In order to improve work efficiency, the factory introduced an automatic spray paint production line. The last step is to install the spring. Due to the large size of the spring, it is inconvenient to transport, so the workers will install the spring on site. This is a large compression spring with an outside diameter of 650 millimeters and a total length of 1,400 millimeters. It is also equipped with a spring seat. In order to produce large springs, the factory introduced advanced equipment, such as large and medium-sized cutting machines, large winding machines. automatic spray paint production lines, etc. Alright, that's today's video.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos of making giant stuff. See you next time.